Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Pawns.App weekly settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you will search about the application of Pawns and you will enter. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter the storage. Then we click on clear cache. As you see, you will turn on your airplane mode and you will turn off your airplane mode again. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.